Hey there, this is G again, and this is my day 7 of Building Public for AI for Pinoys. And sa totoo, wala akong makwento today kasi today is like a very boring day. Ano ba yung mga highlights of the day? I think the highlight of the day, fixing a bug lang sa AI for Pinoy sa website, yung layout lang ng mga tutorials, ano ba ba, yung email sequence, AI for Pinoy, hindi na work. So dahil may problema yung authentication for cron jobs kasi meron siyang cron jobs basically para regular niya chine-check yung time when to send the email. So basta nagkaroon ng aberyadan doon because hindi natatanggap yung pag may kunyari nag-sign up today ngayong webinar, hindi niya na natatanggap yung message ano yung link for the day, parang reminder email. So hindi niya natatanggap. So inayos ko lang yan. I did like a demo for a client for a potential client for yung image meme generation, meme at carousel generation. Kasi may discover ako that one of the apps that I actually use can generate carousels. Like yung ginagamit for Instagram, yung ginagamit for LinkedIn, yung mga square carousels na sunod-sunod na images. So, na-discover pa lang siya today. I'll do a tutorial on that na pwede niyong gawin rin. Na basically, bigyan kasi yung client, ang objective ko sa client na ano, kasi binigay lang nila yung brief. Like, sabi natin, binigay nila yung brief ng 2 p. Tapos kailangan, tapos wala naman silang sinabi na kailangan di mo kagad yung example. But, no, but inisip ko kasi, why can't I just use my workflows na lang? So, basically, hello, may AI assistant pa who can manage SOCMED. So, ginamit ko na yung mga tools na meron ako. So, Gemini, si Claude, ni app offer from Google AI Studio plus yung gamit that app. So I tried to combine all three, but this the concept is there yung workflow paano siya yung from the script from kasi kailangan nila is like a meme and a carousel generator. So basically gusto lang na makita na yung output. So kaya ba kunin yung since we're talking about brand, kaya ba niya ma-capture brand ng company to? And the company is actually a di ba meron mga plant-based na mga companies, yung mga save the planet, don't eat meat. Yan. Ito naman yung kabila. Eat meat. So, meat eater sila. So, they're promoting carnivore diet. So, carnivore diet, basically eating meat, no? So, yun ang ano nila, yun ang kanil negosyo. So, and they're basically looking at the ecosystem for their social media. Kasi they do a lot of memes. I check, uh, yeah, medyo yung kanilang approach to social to promoting their ano is yung mga hard truths, mga ganyan, yung sasampalin ka ng mga like, well, may point sila like di isa sa naiintindihan ko is yung health wise ayun ang mga para pinapainom tayo yung kinapasyon nga bakit tayo pinapainom lagi ng mga ganitong meds and when you can actually get it source it from animals like you from the food real food. So, yan, pinapakita rin nila like yung how the aisles, yung sa most of the stuff that binibenta sa atin, like the oil, are synthetic oil. Like canola oil is synthetic oil. So, I didn't know that. So yung mga ganun type, no? So, there's a lot of, it's very controversial. I think that's the word. And the output should be as controversial as they are. So, meaning the memes should hit a point without being too wala kang pinapatamaan pero you mean something, no? Parang it's like a joke siya na half meant, mga ganun type, no? And then, yun lang, I think that's yun na natutunan ko. I think that's, if there's any learning point, I think that's the one that's, for me, a learning point because really, if you try to handle a brand, you really have to look at the industry where they are in. Kasi sometimes we look at it on our own lens, and our lens are always, our eyes are always limited to what we are exposed to. So and I think it's really good. It's a challenge kasi how to do it and how to do it efficiently. Kasi you can easily do it. You can really go to there, no? But you don't understand. So akin kasi ginawa ko, feed ko lang sa AI. This is what they do. This is what they have. This is their website. This is the social media handle. So let's gather information so that meron more or less who they are, what they do, and then you have that info so that you can work on the consistent brand image. Yung pinag-usapan natin last week, diba? Sa ating webinars. So, yun lang naman. So, and then, in-update ko din yung aking LinkedIn. to include already full stack development and some of the applications. So I just realized dito pala updated mga bagay-bagay. So yun lang. Ayun na. I just wanted to give you an update on that. And see you guys again tomorrow for day 8. See you. Bye-bye.